Janta Party.
No, it's a good thing. I actually welcome all the youth, whosoever, or women also, whosoever is feeling deprived of the government policies, let it be BJP, Congress, or any other government who they are feeling they are at least they should get a platform to raise their voices. Because nowadays in anywhere if you raise your voice you are called as an anti-national. So I'm happy that at least this youth and Gen Z are coming out to raise the voice for themselves.
Do you think they should fight upcoming elections in Goa?
If they will to, they wish to, they want, they can. No, who is stopping anyone from fighting elections? No one is stopping.
But it will not damage.
Only people who are stopping are the anti-national policies who they feel that when you speak you are an anti-national.
But it will not damage the Congress.
This question is, see, it's a democracy and Constitution of India has given right to every person who wishes to contest.